Hey everyone, Alango here. Are you a student who feels like there's just not enough time in the day? Trust me, I've been there. But it doesn't have to be this way. Today, I'll share 10 productivity tips to help you maximize your time and reduce stress. These strategies helped me ace my exams and stay on top of my game. Remember, it's about working smarter, not harder. Whether you're aiming for A's or balancing studies with a job, these tips will help. Let's jump right in. Let's kick things off with the foundation of any productivity system, setting clear goals. Without clear goals, it's easy to drift through your day, feeling busy, but not actually making much progress. Start every single day by writing down your top 2 or 3 study goals. Be specific and realistic. Instead of vaguely writing study chemistry, aim for something like complete 2 chapters of organic chemistry and do 10 practice problems. Specific goals give you clarity, and realistic goals keep you motivated. Break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. Your goals are your roadmap to success. Define them clearly, write them down, and watch how much more focused and productive your study sessions become. Let's structure study sessions for maximum focus with the Pomodoro Technique. Set a timer for 25 minutes of focused work, followed by a 5-minute break. Eliminate distractions. Close social media, silence your phone, and focus. After each Pomodoro, take a 5-minute break to stretch or relax. Repeat 4 times, then take a longer break of 20 to 30 minutes. This approach helps you work with time, not against it. Download a Pomodoro timer app like Focus Booster or Tomato Timer. Now let's move on to the environment you're studying in. Our physical environment has a huge impact on our productivity. Create a dedicated study space, a place where you come to focus solely on your studies. Choose a spot in your home or dorm that's relatively free from distractions. It should be quiet, well lit, and have a comfortable chair and desk setup. Avoid studying on your bed. Your brain associates your bed with sleep and relaxation, not focused work. Personalize your study space with plants, motivational quotes, or anything that inspires you. A little effort in creating the right environment can go a long way in boosting your productivity. Let's prioritize your tasks with the Eisenhower matrix. Categorize tasks by urgency and importance. Draw a 2x2 grid. Label axes urgent and important. Plot tasks into 4 quadrants. Quadrant 1, urgent and important. Quadrant 2, important but not urgent. Quadrant 3, urgent but not important. Quadrant 4, not urgent and not important. Focus on Quadrant 2 for long-term goals. Let's face it, in today's digital age, we have access to incredible tools and apps that can make our lives so much easier. For note-taking, task management, and overall organization, Notion is my go-to. If you prefer a more visual approach to project management, Trello is fantastic. Use Google Calendar to schedule your classes, study sessions, assignment deadlines, and even block out time for breaks and social activities. Having a visual overview of your week helps you stay on track and avoid scheduling conflicts. Experiment with different apps and find what works best for you. Leverage technology to simplify your life and streamline your workflow. Let's be real, in today's hyper-connected world, distractions are lurking around every corner. From social media notifications to tempting YouTube videos, it's easy to get sidetracked and lose precious hours of productivity. Identify your biggest productivity killers and implement strategies to combat them. During your study sessions, put your phone on silent mode or keep it in another room. Disable social media notifications and use website and app blockers like Freedom or Forest. Focus is a muscle that needs to be trained. The more you practice minimizing distractions, the easier it will become to get into the zone and stay there. Taking care of your physical and mental health is crucial for optimal productivity. Your brain is like a high-performance engine, and it needs the right fuel to function at its best. Eat nutritious meals throughout the day. Avoid sugary snacks and processed foods. Opt for whole foods, fruits, vegetables, and lean protein sources. Stay hydrated. Keep a water bottle handy and sip on water throughout the day. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and difficulty concentrating. Prioritize getting enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Sleep deprivation wreaks havoc on your cognitive function, memory, and overall well-being. This next tip is all about setting healthy boundaries and protecting your time. As students, it's easy to feel pressured to say yes to every opportunity that comes our way. Overcommitting to too many things can lead to burnout, stress, and decreased productivity. Learning to say no politely but firmly is a valuable skill. It's okay to prioritize your well-being and your studies. If you're feeling overwhelmed, it's acceptable to decline requests that don't align with your goals. Saying no to the good frees up your time and energy to say yes to the great. Now, let's talk about motivation. Staying motivated can be tough. Build in rewards and incentives to keep yourself going. Break down larger tasks into smaller milestones and reward yourself after reaching each one. It could be something as simple as watching an episode of your favorite show, enjoying a treat, or taking a walk outside. Choose rewards that you genuinely enjoy and look forward to. This creates positive reinforcement and makes the study process more enjoyable and sustainable. And finally, let's wrap up with a simple but powerful habit: taking the time to review and reflect on your day. Before you wind down for the evening, spend just 5 to 10 minutes reflecting on your day. What went well? What could have gone better? Did you accomplish everything you set out to do? If not, why? This simple practice helps you identify patterns, recognize your strengths and weaknesses, and make adjustments as needed. By taking the time to review and reflect, you gain valuable insights into your own productivity habits. Continuously refine your approach to studying and time management. So there you have it, 10 simple yet effective productivity tips to help you conquer your studies and make the most of your time as a student. Remember, being productive as a student isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. It's about understanding yourself, your strengths and weaknesses, and figuring out what systems and strategies work best for you. Which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Stay productive, and I'll see you in the next video.